guess you wonder where I've been.
Hey guys, how are you? I'm overwhelmed by the love that you guys are showing me. Cute. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the subscriptions. Thank you so much for the constant love. I'm gonna try to be consistent and always deliver, because this thing is not easy. This thing is really not easy, but I'm just gonna do my best. Okay. Also, today we're gonna be hosting our friends for like a little braai, but the weather is it rained for like 2 days. Today is a Saturday, and the weather forecast or whatever thing is, it says it's not gonna rain today. So I'm guessing the gloominess or whatever that's happening here is just the result of the rain from yesterday. Am I even making sense? You guys get me, yeah, because but I think eventually the sun will come out and then we're gonna have a great time. Yeah, so we're just gonna be hosting them for like a little braai. So now we're gonna go to the mall to try and get a few things, like fresh meat and something for like salads, drinks as well. So yeah, that was me basically saying come with us to do groceries, not groceries, but like to do a braai grocery. Yeah. So hurrying. Let's go. This is how sexy mama's looking today. Sexy mama.
I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a day when your love. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. What you won't do for love. You tried everything.
Say hi to my vlog. Hello. Best. It's hi.
What's up?
Big what?
I think it's time we confront the situation in front of us. And I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need to make a way for me to see. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me,
to a club and there's many girls. It's fine. We're gonna drink. That's what we do. And I'm gonna go home and cry. Exactly. Simple. It's simple. Nah, you the best. Nah, you the best.
That lie.
Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, it's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas pressure I put my heart on it, heart on it, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on it, heart on it, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand. I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed, and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, it's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve.
Hey guys, so today I came to do my nails, and yeah, I came to do my nails because you know I had to refill, so I went for like a very short length. And I'm also gonna install my hair because look at that. I wanna install this unit because I'm low-key tired of the curly wig, so I wanna install this. I wanna wash my hair, do cornrows, and do a fresh installation. And yeah, these are the nails, very cute. I like them actually. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, so okay.
What were you saying in that live?
Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, it's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas pressure I put my heart on it, heart on it, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on it, heart on it, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, I don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand. I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed, and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, it's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas pressure I put my heart on it, heart on it, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on it, heart on it, getting the best of me.
I'm good job. So let's take a job.
Now to me we don't to me.
Where's the lace? Here is the lace. Anyway, guys, we are going to the beach today. It's very hot. As you can see, I'm even sweating. Yo, we are going to the beach because the weather, the weather has been so bad. So one needs to take that opportunity whenever it's kind of like a very warm to go to the beach and whatever. So that's what we're gonna do today for like a few minutes, just to like take a walk and stuff, you know, because we had gone to no, never mind. But yeah, so I think because I'm a little hungry, we're gonna pass by KFC and just get something. And I also want a mango.
I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make it staying. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times. What to believe? Mama say it's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on my right, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on my.
But the beach was not beaching today, so because it was a bit windy, so we're gonna come. Well, we came here now to eat, actually to taste their food, because we haven't been here. We've been to the beach, but we've never tried to, you know, yeah.
Vibes enter. Vibes are drinking before Diju. You just consider Diju.
I said food is a big thing. Can you guys guess? Kimang wa milkshake. Can you guys guess? What Kimang wa milkshake in this house? That's a milkshake.
Abana magarija nungu nwaye.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do what I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a day when your love, you see. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing
Yo, Rapola.
I think it's time we confronted the situation in front of us. And I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need a makeaway for me to see. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, and I will always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, and I will always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers.
Literally running. I'm getting my MacBook. I'm getting my MacBook, you guys. I just walk for some reason. Like, that's just so good.
I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been locked, backstabbed, and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings. Thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on right, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on nice, heart on nice.